Seeing the SIM card missing error after restarting your phone can be frustrating. This usually happens because your phone's modem, the part that connects to your cellular network, isn't recognizing your SIM card after the reboot. There are a few common reasons for this. The physical SIM card might be slightly dislodged in the tray. A software glitch could be preventing proper detection. Or less commonly, there might be an issue with your carrier's network settings. The good news is, you can often fix it yourself. First, try restarting your phone again. This can sometimes reset the modem. If that doesn't work, power down your phone completely, remove the SIM card tray, gently clean the SIM card with a soft, dry cloth to remove any dust or debris, and reinsert it, ensuring it's properly seated. Make sure the SIM tray is closed all the way. If you still have issues after this, continue to the next section. If cleaning and reseating your SIM didn't work, check for software updates. Go to your phone's settings and look for the Software Updates section. Install any available updates, as these often include fixes for modem and SIM card detection issues. If the problem persists, try toggling airplane mode on and off. This forces your phone to reconnect to the cellular network. You can also check your APN settings, though this is less common. If none of these work, test with a different SIM card to verify the SIM card is functioning properly. As for the future, physical SIM cards are slowly being replaced by eSIMs. eSIMs are digital SIM cards built directly into your phone, eliminating the risk of physical dislodging or damage. If your phone supports eSIM, consider switching to reduce the likelihood of this error. If all else fails, contacting your carrier or a professional repair service is advisable, as there may be a hardware issue with your phone's SIM card reader.